Hey everyone, I'm Derek Maker, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use a backpack for your workouts. I've been doing a lot of backpack workouts lately because I haven't been able to get to the gym and weights are really hard to come by. So I've been doing a lot of backpack workouts. I wanna share with you everything that I've learned, what made it a little bit easier, tips and tricks. And so we're gonna start by showing you how to put weights in here, what your weight options are, and how to make it a little bit more sturdy. Then I'm going to go into all the exercises that you can do. So I'll show you everything, top to bottom, full body, and then you can use those exercises to make your own workout. So the first thing you're going to need is a backpack that doesn't have rips or tears in it, because if you're going to use a heavier weight, you don't want your backpack to break. Second thing you're going to need to do is figure out what kind of weight you can put into the backpack. So if you want to do something heavier, I would recommend some dumbbells or some plates, because this adds up a little bit faster, especially if you want to do something like a squat. The other thing you can do is books. Papers are really heavy. Magazines actually work really well because they're a little bit heavier. And you can also use water bottles. So for a little extra weight, you can use bigger bottles like this, and then to get the weight a little bit more accurate, you can use smaller bottles. And if you don't have that, just use cans of something. Just make sure if you're going to use it later, it doesn't explode everywhere. You want to wrap your weights with 1 or 2 towels or blankets. And this is going to do 2 things. One, it's going to protect you from the weight hitting you, so your back or your legs. It's also going to keep it from moving around in the bag and possibly throwing you off balance during your workout. If you have something heavy like a dumbbell or a weight plate, I usually will wrap that twice because it's a little bit harder on the body and will make a difference when it's on your back. So just place that inside your backpack, and if you want to add a few water bottles on top, I'll do that too to make the weight a little more specific. If you're going to use books or magazines, I will open the towel up and wrap it on the sides as well because they're more narrow, and the main goal is to keep the weight from moving side to side inside the bag. And same thing for bottles. I'll wrap those up in a towel too, but sometimes it's not totally necessary with the towels. But here I'm wrapping it up and I'll put that on top of my other weights. Really easy and simple, but it will make all the difference for your workout.
shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. Oh I'm gonna do this on my own.
So as you can see, backpack workouts are really easy to set up and very versatile, and you probably have everything that you need already to add some resistance to your home workouts. Let me know if this video helped or if you figure out any other exercises to do with backpacks, and let me know in the comments below.